Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect your Huawei Watch. First, ensure your watch is charged to at least 20%. Next, download the Huawei Health app from your smartphone's app store, available on both Android and iOS. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process, preparing both your watch and phone for seamless pairing. Let's get started. Once your watch and phone are ready, open the Huawei Health app. Navigate to the Devices section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap Add Device and select your specific Huawei watch model from the list. A pairing request will appear on both your watch and smartphone. Confirm it on both to establish the connection. This step links your devices, enabling data synchronization. After successful pairing, it's important to configure essential settings. Grant all necessary permissions to the Huawei Health app for full functionality, ensuring features like notifications work correctly. Personalize your experience by customizing watch faces and setting notification preferences within the app. Explore health monitoring features such as continuous heart rate tracking and detailed sleep analysis to make the most of your new device. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Huawei Watch and smartphone often resolves most problems. Always ensure the Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and new features. For a stable connection, keep your watch and phone within a 10-meter range. These tips will help maintain a reliable and consistent connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.